How to have multiple Monopoly Go accounts. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to play with multiple accounts on a single device. Whether you want 2 or even 3 accounts, this video will show you exactly how to do it. So to have multiple Monopoly Go accounts, you'll need 2 separate Facebook accounts. Monopoly Go doesn't allow linking multiple accounts to one Facebook profile. If you don't have a second account, creating one is quick and easy. I can't provide a link here, but you can find plenty of tutorials online by searching Create Facebook Account book. All right, with your Facebook accounts ready, let's get started. First, open the Monopoly Go app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now, on the main screen, look for the menu icon in the top right corner. It's those 3 horizontal lines. Tap on the Settings option. It's the one with the gear icon. In Settings, you'll see an option called Manage Account. Tap on that. Here you'll see your current Facebook account linked. Click the blue Disconnect button next to the Facebook icon. Tap Disconnect to confirm. Now exit the Monopoly Go app completely. Use your phone's specific method for accessing the app switcher, usually a button or gesture. Then, swipe away the Monopoly Go app preview to close it. Long press the Monopoly Go app icon. From the pop-up menu, tap on App Info. This will open the app information page. Look for the storage section. Inside the storage section, you'll find a button called Clear Data, or similar wording depending on your device. Important: this won't delete your account, just the local app data like temporary files. A confirmation window might appear. Tap Clear All Data, or similar wording, to confirm. After clearing the app data, simply relaunch Monopoly Go. You'll be prompted to connect an account. Now, choose your secondary Facebook account. Congratulations! You've successfully added a second Monopoly Go account to your device. Repeat the process if you want to add even more accounts. And this is how to have multiple Monopoly Go accounts. If you have any questions about Monopoly Go, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.